So here I'm going to use the Milani Stay Put Brow Shaping Gel just to fill in my brows. It's in dark brown, number 5. And now I will be filling in my brows with a regular eyeliner, Wet n Wild pencil, dark brown or brown. And I'm old school, so I just use a pencil. I keep it simple. I can always find a pencil at Walmart or Target, and that works for me. Now that is not a MAC concealer. That is Ruby Kisses HD Concealer Foundation. I purchased from a local beauty supply store, maybe $3. I put it in the MAC thing. Now this is the brush that I'm using, just a e.l.f. concealer brush. Notice that I'm not putting any concealer on the top of my brow. I don't do that anymore because I used to find it really hard to blend in. I would see it on pictures and I did not like it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do the other side. Remember, I am only using my natural shape. I'm not going to create a shape, just using my natural shape. This is just really basic and everyday look for me. Then I'm going to go back in and use the brow shaping gel, dark brown. And remember, the concealer is just like an eraser. I'm using my natural shape. Now I'm going to use my fingers to blend it in. I'm going to use the Kabuki fan by Milani. I got it for $1 at Walmart on clearance. And next I am going to be using eyeliner, liquid eyeliner on top. Then I will be applying one of my favorite products by Milani, the Strobe Light Liquid Highlighter, Sun Glow. Try to blend that out with the Kabuki fan. And to finish it off, I will be using the Black Radiance Perfect Tone HD Lip Sculptor. Goddess is the name of the color that I will be using. I did not apply any foundation or concealer to my face because this is like an everyday. It's not a foundation day. But I'll have a foundation video coming up soon. And of course, thank you for watching.